Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. First of all, Assalamu alaikum to all class fellows. Welcome everyone. Today we will exploring one of the most powerful and versatile operating system in the world, presented to Linux operating system. Linux, from its origin as a small open source project, Linux has grown to become a crucial backbone for various industries, including servers, embedded systems, and even smartphones. In this presentation, we will dive into the key features that make Linux unique, its history, and why it's become so essential in modern computing. Whether you are new to Linux or just looking to learn more, by the end, you will have a solid understanding of what sets Linux apart and why it remains a popular choice for professional and hobbyists alike. But first of all, we will move to the startup sound of Linux operating system. And now I will introduce my team members. Number 1 is Haji Muhammad, number 2 is Muhammad Sagir, and number 3 is Saifur Rahman, myself. First of all, we will move to the history of Linux operating system, a brief history of Linux. The story of Linux begins in 1991 when a Finnish student named Linus Torvalds started developing a new operating system kernel as a personal project. Torvalds was inspired by Unix, a powerful operating system used mainly by academics and businesses, but he wanted to create something open source, free, and accessible to everyone. He announced his project to a small community online, and soon developers from around the world joined in to help. This collaborative efforts resulted in Linux, a kernel that could be combined with other software to create a full operating system. Over time, Linux grew beyond a hobby project to become the core of many systems, from web servers and supercomputers to Android smartphone. Today, Linux is celebrated for its flexibility, security, and strong community support, and it powers much of the internet and modern tech infrastructure. Now, what is Linux operating system? Linux is a Unix-like open source and community developed operating system for computers, computer server, mainframe, mobile devices, and embedded devices. It is supported on almost every major computer platform, including x86-bit, ARM, and SPARC, making it one of the most widely supported operating systems. Types of Linux operating. There are various types of Linux operating system. Number 1 is Debian, number 2 is Gentoo, number 3 is Kali Linux, which is mostly used in hacking purposes and famous for the hacking purposes. Number 4 is Ubuntu. Ubuntu is the most widely used Linux system because of its friendly GUI, and the flexibility and stability. Number 5 is Linux Mint. Number 6 is Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Number 7 is CentOS. Number 8 is Fedora. Now, comparison between Linux and Windows. How Linux is better than Windows? Linux is an open source operating system, while Windows are not the open source operating system. Linux is free of cost, while Windows is costly. Linux is its file name case sensitive, while its file name is insensitive. Linux is widely used in hacking purposes based system, while Windows does not provide much efficiency in hacking. Linux is more efficient in comparison of Windows, while Windows are less efficient. Linux provides more security than Windows, while it provides less security than Linux. Now, what about gaming? My favorite chapter, my favorite subject, my favorite hobby. Yes, you can play games on Linux, but It's not always as good as gaming on Windows, but you can use tools. Yes, tools. Use tools like Wine, Proton, Steam, Lutris, Crossover, and Game Hub to play Windows game, especially Windows games on Linux. You can use Steam. In Steam, install the Steam app, sign up, and purchase or play free games. Wine HQ's first stable version supported the 300 most popular games. Now, the famous myth about Linux. Yes, there is a myth about Linux. Is Linux really used in hacking purposes? Yes, Linux is an extremely popular operating system for hackers. There are two main reasons behind this. First off, Linux source code is freely available because it is an open source operating system. This means that Linux is very easy to modify or customize. Second, there are countless Linux security distros available that can double as Linux hacking software. Now comes to the conclusion. Linux server operating system is a powerful and versatile with numerous benefits including stability, security, flexibility, and cost effectiveness. Now, this is the end. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.